Hello everyone. A very good evening to all watching this video. This is Shivsagar Mishra presenting the demo video on PDF extractor tool, which is used for extracting the texts and embedded links by iterating through the entire PDF with the help of some of the components and key libraries. So here let me show you the requirements.txt. So here we are just using four key libraries, which are the PyMU PDF, responsible for extracting the text and embedded links from the PDF pages, and Pandas is used for mapping the dictionary format into the data frame and further converting it into the CSV and Excel formats. The OpenPy Excel library is being used to write the contents into Excel file, which is often passed by the pandas data frame tool. Here we are also using the spaCy library, which is one of the NLP tool which is used for recognizing the entity and name relationship. So here we are using the three core components. First one is pdf underscore extractor.py. So here is the code for it. We are just extracting the texts and links from the PDFs and appending those in these two variables. And the next process is contact underscore parser.py, which is used to parse and map the data into the specific variables and create the dictionary format of it like this. So here we are just extracting the file name, email, phone number, LinkedIn, and GitHub. Uh, to be more specifically, I am giving my cv.pdf file, that is my resume file, to this tool to extract the contents from it. So here, firstly, I have loaded the spaCy library, and by which we are just loading the English core language so that it could get easily recognize the contents written in English language from the PDF. So here we often have a question that once we have created and mapped the formatted, then how it's generally going to map those data into the variable. So for that we have used one more library, that is the regular expression, which is inbuilt in Python. So with the help of regular expressions, that is containing the specific symbols and texts, it generally matches the string type and the specific symbols in it, such as for the email, it's just matching the text and the at the rate, so that it could get easily fetch the email. And for the phone number, it's also the validating some of the regular expression functions. And similarly for the LinkedIn and GitHub, it's matching the initial URL link. Here the routing is also there in it, so that it could just get easily identified the specific URL for the specific platform. And here for the name recognition, we are using the NLP library, that is spaCy, so that it just matches the name of the person and extracts those into the specific variable. So here data of name, we are appending the person's name. So the last component is exporter.py, which is often responsible for exporting our entire data mapped into these three formats. First is JSON, CSV, and Excel. Here for the JSON, I have used the file handling methods here, and just writing these dictionaries and all contents into the JSON file and saving it as profiles.json. So this is our OCR hyphen VNV. This is our virtual environment for these all components. And in the output folder, if we see, there is nothing. So this is our main orchestrator tool, that is app.py, where we are getting all components together to execute them step by step. So here, firstly, I have just implemented three functions. So put put get a more prettier. I think I'm audible. So here are the main functions. In this, we have just listed every process and imported the core components for it. So let's now just waste time and execute the code. So here I am just executing the code python app.py and passing my CV into the terminal. So here, as we can see that our process and code has successfully been executed, and from the starting process to processing and exporting the data into these three formats. We can see here the output of these three files. Here the CSV and the Excel. If we open, we will see the contents of Excel. And here in the JSON format, our content has also been presented. So like this way, our PDF extractor tool is being working and extracting our data so efficiently. It can also be used to extract the data from not only the single PDF but with the batch files also by passing the entire folder here. So thank you for watching this video.